Yeah, my name is Angel Martinez. I am a scientist of the CSIC. This is the Spanish National Research Council, working in Madrid. I'm a biotechnologist. And in the project, in the SUSBIND project, we are leading one of the work packages related with the use of biotechnology for producing binders based on lipids, on lipids from cardiac. We have started doing more or less basic research in the seeds for enzymes, for biotechnological tools, for modifying these lipids and to provide the lipids some properties that contribute to binding properties. And we started looking for enzymes selective, producing this modification of the lipids, that is epoxidation, formation of epoxides. And we started from this, and we scale up the production of these enzymes and of these lipids. And at the end, we collaborated with Fraunhofer in Germany for scaling up the process and sending some samples of these epoxidized lipids to different partners, to other partners, to Cargill, to Eger, also to Valbopan here, for testing these lipids in the production of particle boards or fiber boards like here in Valbopan. Yeah, the main challenge is that this is a research project. This is not a demo project. This is a research project. This means that we are doing, as I mentioned at the beginning, more or less basic research at the beginning of the project. And in the project and in the work package, there are partners working at different levels. We are a center of research. There are also Fraunhofer, that is like a institute producing, developing process are more or less pilot scale, and there are also companies. But it's difficult to discover new things and to scale up the process to attain the mill scale like here. I mean, that some things need to be developed in future projects. We need additional research for scaling up the result that we're obtaining in the project. But we demonstrated it's possible to modify the properties of these lipids to obtain the properties that we need for producing binders or binder ingredients. Yeah, this is what I say, that we need further development for scaling up the production of the enzymes and also the lipid modification processes. But what was demonstrated is that this is possible, that this is possible to use biotechnological tools for modifying enzymes and obtaining the modified lipid that we need for as binders or binding ingredients in the industry. These epoxides are important in other applications because they are cross-linking molecules, and they can use not only for adhesive or binder for boards, but also for other application of adhesives. And also some of these molecules are biomedical importance because they are signals in human physiology, transmitting signal in different diseases. And I mean that there is also a pharmaceutical application of this research that is not investigated in this project, but we published something related with producing these lipid epoxides with pharmacological or physiological application. Yeah, I think that the first thing is that is what is indicated by the acronym. I think that the purpose is to produce sustainable binders. I mean that to have boards where everything is bio-based, is not of petrochemical origin, and has not the disadvantages of some petrochemicals like formaldehyde, etc., in the binder. I mean, and a second thing is that related to what I said before, that SUSBIND is a good example of a research project, but the complete chain from research, development, and institution and companies are involved, and this is nice. It's often difficult to combine all these different approaches, but it's nice to try to do this with different partners.
Collaboration.
Yeah, it's important is to learn about how it's possible to collaborate, because for us, the scales obviously are very different to the scale that is used here because we are doing reaction at the milliliter scale. But when we are asking to make some tests of these products as adhesive by a company, by Eger or by Valpo, by others, it's always necessary to do something 20 centimeters, and it's not possible to do micro assays. That it would be good to develop some micro assays for comparing different enzymes, etc. But this is difficult to be developed at this moment.